Ever seen those weird question marks and boxes instead of proper text on a web page? That's what happens when you skip character encoding. Let's fix that. The modern way to set character encoding is simple. Inside your head section, add a meta tag with the charset attribute set to UTF-8. This single line tells the browser exactly how to interpret the characters in your HTML document. It should be one of the first things in your head element, right after the opening head tag. Placement matters here. The charset declaration must appear within the first 1024 bytes of your HTML document. Why? Because browsers need to know the encoding before they can properly parse the rest of your content. Put it early in the head section, ideally as the very first meta tag. UTF-8 is the recommended standard for web pages, and for good reason. It supports virtually every character from every language, including emojis and special symbols. Unlike older encodings like IS-08859. 1 or Windows 1252, UTF-8 is universal and future-proof. There are alternative methods. You can set character encoding via the HTTP content type header on the server side, or use the older meta tag with HTTP equiv equals content type. But the modern charset attribute is cleaner and more widely supported. The HTTP header method works, but requires server configuration. Bottom line. Use meta charset equals UTF-8 in your head section, place it early, and you'll prevent those frustrating character display issues called mojibake. Practice this in your next interview answer. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.